In an era of downsizing and efficiency, one car defied the odds. The 1989 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, a symbol of unapologetic American luxury, this sedan wasn't just a car. It was a statement. Let's dive into why it's still the last true king of the road. The 1989 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham marked the final chapter of rear-wheel drive, body-on-frame luxury sedans. Born from Cadillac's storied lineage, it was the last model to retain the Fleetwood name before GM's shift to front-wheel drive platforms. With a 121.5-inch wheelbase and a curb weight of 4,190 lbs, it epitomized the bigger is better ethos of 1980s America. This sedan was powered by a 5.0 V8 engine, producing 140 horsepower and 255 lb-ft of torque. Modest by today's standards but designed for smooth, dignified cruising. Its 4-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive setup prioritized comfort over speed, embodying Cadillac's commitment to serene, isolated driving experiences. The Brougham's exterior was a masterclass in nostalgia. Its long hood, vertical grille, and fender skirts echoed Cadillacs of the 1960s, while the formal roofline and chrome accents screamed 1980s excess. The iconic antelope, fire mist paint, a chameleon-like hue shifting from copper to gold, was a $240 premium option, often paired with vinyl roofs and wire wheel covers. Inside, plush leather seats, wood-trimmed dashboards, and amenities like electronic climate control and a Delco on Bose sound system redefined luxury. The rear bench could comfortably seat 3, with legroom rivaling modern SUVs, a nod to its role as a chauffeur favorite. The Brougham wasn't just a car, it was a cultural icon. For families, it symbolized success, ferrying kids to school in climate-controlled comfort. For celebrities and executives, it was a status symbol, featured in movies and embraced by 1990s hip-hop artists as the ultimate pimpmobile. Yet critics called it outdated. With a D-zone 60 mph, time of 10-12 seconds, and 15 mpg fuel efficiency, it clashed with the rising efficiency demands of the late 80s. But for buyers, its unapologetic size and retro styling were badges of honor. Owners praised the Brougham's reliability and simplicity. The Oldsmobile-derived 307 V8 engine was easy to maintain, and shared GM parts kept repair costs low. However, its sheer size made parking a challenge, and rust-prone bodies became a common woe. Today, pristine models fetch $15,000 at auctions, coveted by collectors for their nostalgic charm. As one owner reminisced, it wasn't just a car, it was part of the family. The Brougham's 1989 discontinuation marked the end of traditional American luxury. Modern Cadillacs like the CT6 prioritize tech and efficiency, but lack the Brougham's audacious personality. For enthusiasts, it's a reminder of when cars were experiences, not appliances. The 1989 Fleetwood Brougham wasn't just a car, it was a farewell to an era. If you crave raw, unapologetic luxury, hit subscribe. This is Speed Scout, reviving legends one classic at a time. Don't forget to subscribe Speed Scout for more content.